Hello दोस्तों, my name is Vikas Kumar and you are watching Island Plus Tech Zones. So this tutorial we will be complete microservices. Okay. So firstly, see it contents. So what is uh, microservices? Okay. What is monolithic architecture, advantage and disadvantage of monolithic applications, and advantage of microservices. So we complete this session of four topics. Okay, so let's start. Monolithic architecture. So what is monolithic architecture? Basically, monolithic architecture we uh, we see this type one single jar, like okay, one single jar, then whole application. Yeah, all application uh, under the jar. Okay, under the jar, yeah, whole application only uh, one jar. Okay, yeah, one project only, not define any services. Okay, and any db. So basically difficulties or uh, mixed wedge, uh, mixture. Okay, so whole project all mixture types. So early difficulties, very difficult deployment. Okay, debugging, yeah, any code processing problems. Okay, so this is a monolithic applications. So definition: monolithic application has single code with multiple modules. Okay. So next one, advantage, sorry, disadvantage of monolithic application. So as a project scale, okay, as a project scale, it become difficult to manage. Okay, because single jar, yeah, single project, whole requirement and whole project, and very micro, more than microservices only combined one project. So very difficulties in manage. Okay, so become difficult to manage. Second, for single change redeployment of whole application needed. Okay, so a single change. Okay, so your application a single change like a dot change. So redeployment whole application needed. So all application need to deployment. Okay, and single error. So whole need to change. Okay, like debugging problems. Yeah, so monolithic application one project, one uh, whole project. So only more than microservices, only one project. Okay, then one virtual machine deployment, and the third difficulty to adapt a new technology for single functionalities. Okay, so your project is only Python codes. Okay, only use Python, your code only Python. So future in the change your applications. So not properly new adapt technology, because uh, different technology and one project. Okay, so one project, new technology not adapted, because different technologies, huh, different versions, different syntaxes and dependency, and more than dependency, your one code. Okay, single code. So difficulty they adapt new technology, single functionalities. Okay, so single bug many down our whole applications. So errors like single bug, yeah, single errors, so down whole application. So all our application downs because very dependency, largest dependency this code. Okay, so this monolithic applications. Then advantage simple to deploy. Okay, so all over application like you deploy. So basically simple deployment and simple to build and deploy. Build simple because single code. Okay, single code a project, many services, one project. So build and deploy like simply. Problem of network. Okay, so not the problem networks, latency and relatively less. Okay, so uh, advantage of monolithic application, very small advantage. Okay, the disadvantage very largest. So like uh, why are the change, yeah, what is microservice and why are change monolithic application to microservices. Okay, so disadvantage is solution of microservices. Okay, so what is microservices? So name is microservice. Okay, so micro means small, yeah, very small. Then services. So monolithic means one application, only one single coded, uh, and many services, only single application, yeah, single projects. Okay, then microservices divided many services like login services, and different divide. Okay, then like e-commerce site, so cart alag, um, different divided, and cart different divided, and like product different, uh, buy now, and payment gateway like APIs divided. So small services like divided, and then deployment like virtual machine. So one separate project like this, and uh, deployment. Okay, so this is the microservices. Okay, so definition: microservice are the small service that work together. Okay, so small service and divided small service, so to work together. These similar service communicating. Okay, this similar service communicating with each other and directly using lightweight protocol like HTTP. Okay, so this architecture microservice like one microservice, two microservice, three, four, five, and other DBs, and deployment is other separate project. Okay, then this um, different separate project, and this different separate project. Okay, so like not very dependency the code. So this is microservices. Okay, advantage of microservice: it is possible to change or upgrade each service individually rather than upgrading in the entire applications. Okay, so likely a new adapt technologies, uh, microservices use application. Okay, so like a application, so use it microservices, then future time adapt the new technology like previously use Python, then again use it PHP. Okay, so like PHP, this is use it. So small service like login page services like Python, and other like product service microservices different. Okay, so divide. So like login and login pages, because you different this different services. So different services, so not a dependency, login other. other codes, yeah, other uh, yeah, others projects. Okay, so individually rather than upgrading entire application. So we can um, change the new technology, yeah, adapt the new technology because not dependency other codes. Okay, then one services might down without implant uh, impacting to others. Okay, so one services may down without impacting, so not impact other codes. Okay, so and easily to different technology for build different microservices, then less dependency and lazily compared. So like this microservices. Okay, so I hope you are understanding microservices. Then I'm not a professor in English, so like uh, many mistake my English language. So sorry. Then thank you watching the video.